Good morning, student. Once again, welcome back to your online classes. Students, today again we are here with a chapter, your extreme weather. Earlier we have already discussed its hottest and coldest part. We have already discussed hottest and coldest parts. Now today we are going to discuss the driest and wettest part of the earth. Now look at here. First of all, what is driest? The some part of the world are famous for their wetlands, waterways, storms, snow, and rainfall, while other places well are known for being dry, parched, and prone of drought. The wettest and driest place on earth fascinating for a number of reasons. Deserts are renowned for their day status, when nights imagine stretch a sand of dusty earth and rocks backing in the heat. But there are different types of desert. One third of the land of earth is part of the desert biome and is dry. Only specific plants and animals specific animals especially adapted in the environment can live there. A desert is defined as an area of receive less than 25 centimeter of precipitation a year. That means in an area if the rainfall is under less than 25 centimeter in a year, that area is called a deserted area. Let me tell you, the Chile in South America is the high plateau in north of the country called Atacama Desert, and the this is the Chile, South of America. There is a Chile in Chile is a country in South America, and there is a high plateau in north of the country that called Atacama, and that Atacama is a desert. Even Atacama Desert is commonly known as the driest non-polar region in the world and maybe the oldest desert on the earth. The average rainfall about 15 millimeter per year. That means you can understand millimeter is the smallest unit, and only 15 millimeter rainfall is in per year. You can understand here how the driest part is that Atacama. That is why the Atacama Desert is known as the driest non-polar region in the world. And some it may come as a surprise that Antarctica, which seems a land of snow and ice, contains the driest place on earth. और ये भी एक बात है बड़ी सरप्राइज कि अंटार्कटिका जहाँ पे बहुत सारे बर्फ़ हैं, सब चीज़ पड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन वो भी ड्राइस्ट प्लेस ऑन द अर्थ कही जाती है. When you come to the in India, the state, the Meghalaya, early average rainfall is over 11 meter. That means it's a huge amount of water. The rainfall is over there in Meghalaya, and even in the drier month. That means from December to February, which is called the drier month. That season is called the winter season. On that month also, the rainfall is over there, and the village of Masan in the Meghalaya gets the title of wettest place on the earth with nearly 12 meter of rain on average per year. Means Masan in Meghalaya is the world's highest rainfall on the earth, and even 12 meter of rain average per year. Ever in dry month December, Masinram is Meghalaya. You can these are the concept map. I have met these are the concept maps. You can also use this type of concept map to understand this chapter very well. Look at here. The in the Masinram is a village in the Meghalaya in India is the world's highest get rainfall getting village about 12 meter per year. Now come to the point after the wettest and driest, we just come to the some bizarre weather, bizarre weather. That means something different, which is not clearly mentioned. What is something different? The bizarre weather is the full of weather related items. Items means you have understood. Sometimes we said it's raining cat and dogs. It's raining cat and dogs means ki it's a very heavily rainfall is there. Sometime different part of words they people said, even you have seen on the media is sometimes fish rains. Even your parents or you talk your group when you talk to your grandparents tell you about the fish rain celebrations. Even sometimes fish fall from the sky while the raining. Look at here, there was some fish rain celebration in the Honduras, on the Singapore, Mosuja, which is Canada, Loreto in the Philippines. In India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh, maximum time they reported the fish falling from the sky. Another falling from the sky, the spider rain. that was hence in the Brazil. The frog and toad rain was in Hungary, and jellyfish rain in 1894 in England. So these are the reports which are reported in the media, in the newspaper or the television. Uh, in the and that situation is called the Wizard's weather. So students, this is all about the today's chapter. I hope you will understand the chapter. This is very easy chapter. You just make a chart and concept map of these chapters. First of all, just like that, just like I have made extreme weather, the coldest and driest, what is the and look at it, the hottest and the coldest, and then you just prepare the driest and the wettest, and then the weather. So it will be very easy to understand.